week, we're going to make paper snowflakes. There are lots of different ways you can do this that are different challenges and levels of hardness. I'm going to show you one of these today. To begin making any kind of snowflake, though, you need to have a square piece of paper. So you can take a paper from the Origami Center or a paper from the drawing or collage. If it's not already perfectly square, here's how you do it. You take one of the corners and line it up with the edge. Fold it and hold it down really tight and crease it. Then cut off the extra rectangle that's hanging off the edge. The part that you folded, if you were to unfold it, now is a perfect square. But we still have this leftover rectangle. So you're going to take this leftover rectangle and do that again. Fold the one corner to the other edge, make a crease, cut off the rectangle, and you're going to keep doing this until you're out of paper. What you can see here, when I cut all the different rectangles, I ended up with 4 rectangles. So to make the simplest snowflake, you're going to take your square piece of paper and fold it so that it ends up with 4 sides. To do this, take your square piece, fold it in half like a hot dog, making sure to line up the edges and push down the folded part really hard, and then fold it in half again so it's a tiny square, pushing down really hard on that folded paper. Then you're going to bend it in half like a triangle. So first we had hot dog, then square, and now triangle. Then it is time to start designing your snowflake. It is very important to pay attention to where the folds are. You can see here that this is where all my folds meet, which will be the middle of my snowflake. But on the other side is where all the open sides are. I don't want to begin cutting right away. First, though, I want to take my pencil and draw in my designs. You can see here I just drew some simple triangles, and then I went in with my scissors and cut out the triangles, keeping all of the scraps in the middle of my table so they didn't get lost. And then I gently unfolded my snowflake to reveal my awesome design. If you are unsure of a design to cut into your snowflake, I've given some ideas for you on the board. You can look at these patterns and see what they look like cut and what they look like unfolded. What you do is you cut away the gray area. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you're cutting away shapes is that you are cutting away a half of a shape. So here I have a circle, half of a circle, half of a square, half a heart, and half triangle, half star. And then on the edge with all the folds, I did a zigzag. Once I cut out all these designs, you can see that they turned into a full part of that shape. There was a full star. Here's half of a heart, created a full heart. Half of a square creates a full square, and so on and so forth. It's only half, and when you unfold it, you can see you get the full shape. So have fun designing your amazing snowflakes and enjoy class today.